I'm Aaron Beach, and today we are at the Commercial UAV drone demonstration. We're going to be sharing a couple of different products today, the TrueView 535, one of our flagship payloads, as well as our brand new TrueView GO handheld 3D imaging LiDAR platform. We're going to actually be demonstrating here with an accident investigation. We're going to show how to 3D model. Brady Reisch is going to be flying an Inspired Flight IF800 with the TrueView 535 attached, and I'm going to be walking around with the TrueView GO scanning the accident from below.
I'm going to let Chuck share a bit more about this as I go over and scan from the ground, and we'll show you guys the results later.
Well, I'm Brady Reisch. I'm with Sundance Media Group. We are here presenting on behalf of DivCom for Commercial UAV Expo, showing all these different wonderful aircrafts. The accident reconstruction with GeoCue went phenomenally. We were able to fly the 535 TrueView system, and we were able to walk around with the TrueView GO 132S. And this system allows us to walk around the actual site to get different views that the drone wouldn't. So we're very excited to bring both of those two together and see exactly how the result turns out, but the flights and the walk were fantastic. So it's great to have both these systems together because we're able to process them in the same processing software, which allows us to quickly and easily tie everything together, which means we have different views from low and high above. So it is great to allow us to keep police officers and other public safety officials out of harm's way, off the roadway, and quickly get the system up and running. So the repeatability, how fast it goes, and then also back in the office, the processing, since it's all one singular software, it allows us to put everything together within one software solution. So the data that we're capturing is going to be the LiDAR data, which allows us to give a point cloud and allow us to actually draw measurements from one thing to another, one point to another. And having that system allows them to go back after the fact and review the data and make an assessment. So this allows them to clear the crash quickly or clear the site very rapidly in order to move people through the area. So the LiDAR data allows us to look at the actual vehicles themselves, people on the ground, different objects, skid marks, different pieces around the area, road signage, all the different pieces. So we are able to colorize that data using both of these two sensors, which allows us to easily and quickly go in and identify each of those individual pieces.
Hello, my name's Chuck Snow. I'm with GeoCue. We're at the Commercial UAV 2024. We're on the demonstration site. We're going to have an Inspired Flight 800, and we're going to have a TrueView 535 sensor flying on that. We're also going to introduce the brand new TrueView GO. It's a handheld sensor. With these two tools, we're going to be scanning an accident scene. We're going to use the one from the air and the one from the ground. We're going to combine the data so we can get everything that we need to reconstruct an accident scene properly. If you want any more information, visit geocue.com and talk to one of our LiDAR experts today.